Prince Family Travel.
Season 2.
Where we headed, AMQ?
You think he really knew?
Mom got some directions.
I guess I'll do my work.
Babe, where we sleeping tonight?
I'll do the research.
I'ma cook up a meal.
I'ma play with my sis.
We hit our dance move.
Y'all trying to play the switch?
So where we headed first?
New state alert.
New state alert?
New state alert.
We give Trippy lots of
We
love.
always make it safe.
Mom found the park.
Now the kids can play.
We never split the fam.
We got the biggest plan.
We trying to see the globe.
So yeah, we hit the road.
Trippy on the road.
Prince Family Travel.
Baby!
Alright, so we're here in a new state. We just got here yesterday. Oh, we need to put up the sticker.
We need to put up the sticker. We need to put up 2 stickers.
New state alert, new state alert, new state alert. Oh, that's awesome.
Alright. The most important people in Tennessee are right here.
Ow.
No, thank you, peace. Come here.
Alright, so anyway, we're here in a new state and we're about to go bowling. So if I remember last time we went bowling, I smashed her.
No! Got some balls.
Really nothing she could do.
He hasn't beat me in our entire relationship in bowling yet, so that's where we're at.
So the truth, how's it feel to be the winner?
Great. I love it.
Because if y'all remember last time we were bowling, she smashed me. She beat me fair and square, guys.
It's gonna happen
I do
again.
not believe that's gonna be the case today.
It is.
I don't know why she's so confident. Like I did just hurt my elbow though.
So now he's got excuses.
Yep. I don't blame
He
the
was
IPA.
supposed to win!
It's just me, I'm a win with a broken elbow. I mean, not broken, but
Now it's
damaged elbow.
broken. Damaged.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you at the bowling. Made it to the bowling. Peace is still asleep. You're about to meet your demise. You going down?
I'm not going down. You're going to lose.
All right, we'll see. You remember your bowling score from last time? I gotta look it up to see if you're gonna get
The
more.
last time I beat you, though.
You're not gonna beat me this time, so I was trying to help
We're not
you.
going against each other.
We're not exact. See? That's how we do it. Okay. Choose your. Unleash the healing power of music with your very own handcrafted, high-quality balmy drum. The perfect companion for meditation, stress relief, creative expression, and for getting our peace to sleep. Head over to balmydrum.com and receive 20% off at checkout using the code PRINCEFAMILY20. Now back to the episode. Test your reaction speed. Nice hat.
Wait, I want to take a picture of it. Oh! I'm sorry, my bad. Okay, ready? She goes, I'm never gonna make this one.
I was like, it's gonna be a gutter ball.
It's like when you get, what they call it, it's like she's gaming us.
Right. Ah! Wait. Okay, Daddy's turn.
Oh, sorry.
Ah. All right. Hey.
After a mere 5 frames. How you feeling, Mom?
You know, I didn't realize that the contenders were going to be contending so hard, so
What I gotta do with your score?
I'm slightly nervous. You're also beating me, so that's not good. But it's all good.
It's all good. All right.
Because I'm going to come back.
All right.
This is the most important frame. Go!
I'm out.
Please go!
Come on, right here. No, 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 no. We gotta be good sportsmen. It's all good.
Not fair.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that was a good attempt, though. Sportsmanship. Yay. All right, now it's time for my final frame. But do I even need my final frame to win? Maybe I do. I'm not talking too much trash here. Can we keep rolling? Can we keep... What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't have anything to say for myself. Next round.
It's gonna be worse next round.
Hopefully I come out on top.
Later.
Like I did last night.
Is this my first time beating you?
We're not doing that.
This is my first time beating you?
Yes. Cheese.
Right here? Gotta get right here, look. Right here. Shouts out to Tennessee.
Ghost River, Memphis.
Memphis. Cheers to Gary.
Cheers to Gary.
Cheers to Meredith.
So we're on game 2. It's not looking good for me and I'm not happy about it.
Yeah. And the score for the second game.
I'll take my losses with a smile on my face.
See you next time.